Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to set up Unify Uap-Ac-M. If you're doing it via the Unify network application, make sure your AP and Unify controller are on the same network. Open the Unify network application on your PC or cloud, key. The AP should show up as pending adoption. Click Adopt to begin the provision of the process. Just wait until the AP status turned to connected or online. And if you're doing it via the mobile app, download it and connect your phone to the same network. Log into your Ubiquiti account and go to Devices, Pending, then tap your Uap-Ac-M, then tap Adopt. After adoption, go to Unify Network Dashboard, create a Wi-Fi network, and assign the AP to the Wi-Fi group. Adjust channel, band, steering, or guest network settings as needed. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.